and show info, you will find the header of the image. Fit files carry a header that says where the picture was taken, which filter, what telescope, field of view, pixel size, etc., etc., etc. Okay? In this particular image, that doesn't come in all the images, but this one, this particular one, has the pixel size transformed in kilometers. So it will tell you somewhere that your pixel size is 1.1 kilometers. Okay? If you don't know that in the image you've taken, you just need to go to the telescope site and figure out what's the scale in arc minutes, etc., and make all the needed conversions to figure out how many kilometers you're talking about. Why is this exercise very neat? Because you can have your students measuring the size of a crater, like I'm doing here in this one. Okay? Just I'm drawing the line here, analyze and measure as we did yesterday, and I find that this crater is 105 pixels in length. Okay? This is the size of my crater. So that is the number in pixels. If I multiply that by the kilometers, I know the size of this crater in kilometers. So you can have your students compare it with the size of your town or the size of your state or whatever that is. Okay? It's very, very nice for them to understand why we don't see the American flag, for instance. Sorry? Process? No. No. To calculate is you go to this red line, put it here on the crater, and then you go to analyze, measure. You can also, okay, everyone following now, or everyone lost?
I missed it. What is the version of pixels?
Oh, in the header of this particular image, someone had a trouble, probably for EUHOU, to calculate and put it in kilometers.
Right, usually in the header, it actually lists the actual diameter.
Exactly. But this image was for EUHOU. It was processed for EUHOU, so that. But you can edit the header. You can go there and say, I've changed the brightness, or done that or that. You can write everything in the header of the image, okay? Which is good when you're doing astronomy for serious, when you're doing research. You want to tell people that might be using, or even yourself later, what have you done with the image, so you know what kind of processes took place. Okay? Well, now after you've done that, we're going to make to close that image and open M51. M51.fit. And what I want you to do here is to make a surface plot. Again, you go to the Analyze menu and do a surface plot. And then you can play with it for a while to see how you show the brightness of the different parts. Okay? So you place this and this here. Okay? Everyone follow me? I think it's going to work, huh?
No, I want to.
Oh, wow, yes. Now to play with the computer and the way you see. It's very powerful. Really very powerful.
Oh, yeah. That's sweet. So you get it tomorrow? This is good. Look good.
surface plot. You always know, you can tell. Show me the line and start of the wall, but you can do the line of the if you need a circle or okay. Okay, now next. We're going to make some operations here. So I want you to open Jupyter 6 and Jupyter 7 images, and in both of them, before you do anything, you will notice that here you can see the structure of Jupyter. You can see the spot. And here you can see the moon. So again, I adjust the images to follow my purpose. So people cannot know.
You can click on both of them over the same thing. You go out 6 and then shift and 7 and the other one.
Okay, you will open the Jupyter 6 and Jupyter 7, and you will see, before you do anything, you see the structure on the planet. You can see the spots. And actually, if you make a movie like we did yesterday, you can see Jupiter going around itself. But we are not going to do that. We don't want to do that now. What we want to do is to see the moon. Okay? So you adjust both brightness of both images to auto so that you see the moons of Jupiter. Okay? Everyone there? And now what I want to do is, I want to add those two images. So I go to Process, Image Calculator, and then in the first image I put Jupyter 6. The operation is X, and then I do Jupyter 7. And the result should be this one here. Okay, so I'm going to add, I'm going to add Jupyter 6.